everyone, and welcome back to the latest unboxing with the Soul Women's. And today we are looking at this Blazer Mid 77, and yeah, you guessed it, it is the one with the chain. Now I know you're all going to be recognizing this because it was also the same chain, same pack that was on this Air Force One Pixel, and this sold out instantly. So starting on the upper, we have all of this really nice white leather. Now this is actually a completely snowy silhouette. It's perfect for the time of year, and it's got these cute kind of almost iridescent shiny swishes to the sidewalls, and it's also got the premium corduroy details with the golden accents on the heel and on the tongue, bringing it in line with the pack. The Pixel also had elements of corduroy to it and all of these shiny panels which make it so nice and seasonal. Now this is a super fresh sneaker which is going to get you feeling light and bright during these darker days, and adding a bit of glitz to your fit is this chain. Now personally with the Pixel chain, I don't know if I had big ankles, but it didn't fit around my ankle, so maybe more of a bracelet, or we've heard people say they're going to put them on their rearview mirror. Anything you want to do, add it onto your keys, it's super cute. Anyway, to round up, this has been the Nike Blazer Mid 77, and it's available on Nike right now and ready to cop, and just look at it. I know this is going straight into my collection. We'll see you next time.